This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Sheila Durham. Charming two-story home with 13 acres and a whole lot of potential. There is a flat pasture in front of the home with a stream. The home has 5 bedrooms, 2 baths and a laundry room. This home also has a built-in porch, and a back deck for relaxing or entertaining guests. There is a 24 by 36 detached garage that fits 2 cars plus room for some extra storage. Also on the property is a 20 by 40 unfinished garage, along with a 14 by 67 single-wide mobile home that could be fixed up for a rental property. Above the home is another fenced pasture that is unrestricted. Call for a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Sheila Durham at 606-248-4932.